Why do you do it? Every mile you couldn't make it through. Every rep that fell short of perfection. And every sleepless night obsessing over the outcome. Why do you do it? When did you decide that when your lungs burned and your legs quit, your heart was at home? It's considered mad. But for you remember when you felt it for the first time. Your arms locked at 90, battling the final turn. When you first heard it, a sea of blue and orange roaring from the outside lane. Not just cheering for a game or a win, but rooting for something inside. An acknowledgement of a decision you made when you were 18 that lasts a lifetime. And as you pass every teammate, coach, friend, sister, and brother, it's never been so apparent why you do it. Because in that moment, you understood what it meant to be a bison.
You win a championship together as a team. Somebody's going to have a big moment and step up, and somebody's going to have a bad moment that you weren't anticipating. But a team wins a championship. So for us, whether it's guy or girl number 1 or guy or girl number 32, you do it with sacrifice and you do it together.
No matter what, you're capable of doing some special things at the championship meet and placing well above your seed. If you get enough people doing that, you will be in contention for a championship.